Okay, kindly listen. Kindly listen. So these are the given data. COP, coefficient of performance, is equal to how much? 9. Mass of ice generated, that is equal to 400 kg per hour. Next power, we have to calculate power required. So we are going to produce 400 kg of ice at minus 5 degrees Celsius. The initial temperature of the water is 30 degrees Celsius. Next, we have to find out the power required, heat rejected. What is the total amount of heat rejected from the system? So next one, latent heat of solidification or latent heat of freezing is being given, that is 335 kilojoule per kg. Next, specific heat of ice is given, that is 2.1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Next, specific heat of water is given, that is 4.18 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. See, first you have to understand. See, suppose I am going to write a small sketch. TL represents the temperature of the liquid. So what is the initial temperature of the liquid? It is 30 degrees. That is, initial temperature of the water is 30 degrees Celsius. So I need to extract the heat from this. I am going to extract the heat from this. So that is called as the refrigerating effect. QL. I am going to consider the refrigerating effect with the QL. Heat has to be extracted. So therefore here refrigeration system has to be there. So there is a refrigeration system. So to this refrigeration system I am going to supply the work. Okay, I am going to supply the work. So then we are going to get, see, when I am going to supply the work, so I need to supply the power. So therefore, so the amount of heat will be there. So this is the amount of heat has to be extracted, and I am going to supply the amount of heat to do the work. So therefore the total amount of heat rejected, QH, okay, total amount of heat rejected, so that will be QL plus W. Why QL? So this is the amount of heat extracted from the water plus amount of work that we are going to supply. So that will be the QH, that is the total amount of heat rejected to the system. QH is equal to QL plus W. QL is nothing but the refrigerating effect. So then we are going to get the water pH at what degree Celsius? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. So I need to convert the water from 30 degrees Celsius to minus 5 degrees Celsius. So this is the objective. Okay. So now we have to find out the power required. That is nothing but the W. So before that I need to find out the QL. How to find out the QL? That is the refrigerating effect. RE, that is QL, is equal to what? M CPW delta T plus. See, this is the CPW. That means I am going to convert the water from 30 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, first I am going to convert the water from 30 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. So then it undergoes the phase change. So therefore plus M into LS, that is the phase change from water to solidification, plus M into Cp ice into delta T. This is to convert from 30 to 0 degree. This is of phase change. So this is to convert the water from 0 to minus 5. Is it clear? So now in this formula M is common, right? What is the M? 400. Right? What is CPW? It is been given 4.18. into delta T, difference in temperature. How much? 30 degree plus M is how much? M is already being taken out. What is LS? LS is 335 plus what is CP? 2.1. Here delta T 5 degrees Celsius. We are just talking about the difference. Okay, it is only a difference in temperature. How much is this? Ratio. Not minus, only difference. See, something is have you heard about the module and modulus, right? So there we will be taking the difference. So we are neglecting the sign, right? So same way, we are just taking the difference. What is the difference? What is the difference? 5 degrees. Okay? Now you calculate this and tell me the value of RE. 189,160. That's all. Point. So what is the unit? Kilojoule per hour. Is it right? Kindly verify. Kindly use the calculators. Use the calculators. Check whether it is right or not. Cut down. So let me verify the answer. Yes, Shapa. 188. 188,360. 188,360. Is it right? Yes, sir. Kindly verify the answers. I am not using any calculators. I am reliable to your answers. That's all. Okay? So the refrigerating effect is this one. Correct? So now what else we have to find out? Heat rejected, right? So we have to calculate the heat rejected. So what is the formula to find out the heat rejected? QH is equal to W plus QL. So we found out the value of QL. So we have to find out the value of W, right? So to find out the value of W, what are given? COP is being given. COP is equal to QL by W. So therefore W is equal to QL is how much? 188,360 divided by COP is how much? 9. So what is W? 20,928.8. 928.8 kindly verify. 20,928.8. Okay, kilojoule per hour. Okay, how sir? What is the definition of watts? Joule per second. Okay, so if we are substituting kilojoule per second, so then this has to be converted to kilojoule per second. Okay, so this is the value of W. Now total amount of heat rejected, how much? W is 20,928.8 plus QL 188,360. What is QH? 288.8 unit. See, without unit, you are not going to get the max for the answers. Okay? So it must be kilojoule per hour. So try to convert this in terms of watts, kilowatts. How to convert this? Divided by 3600. How much is this? 58.135 kilowatts or kilojoule per second. Is it clear?